Wow, such an amazing city. It really attracts me a lot. People often say that once you come to Chengdu, you will never want to leave. Do you believe that?
Is Michael Bart. I'm from Switzerland. I'm judging diving here. We just had a couple of events. It was amazing, especially the Chinese diver. What they did was really great, but also the others. And it's great to be here at the FISU Games. Yesterday we had the day off, went to the pandas. It was just amazing. Yeah, that's really cool.
Hello, my name is Tsogyal. I came from Croatia. It's a pleasure, by the way, to be here for diving. And I really love your country. Honestly, I fall in love with China and Sichuan. And